Hi, welcome. Now that you have learned so much how to put up your video, I would like to show you just a brief sample of what it could look like. Okay, the creativity is all yours. I've only taught you some of the few skills or show you some of the features which you can use. There is no limitation to whatever I have tried to show you. Okay, good. So it is presupposes that you have animated everything on your slide, and the first recording that we want to do now is the one that has nothing to do with you writing on the screen. Okay, so this is recording a slideshow without writing anything on the screen. Okay, good. We have three methods of recording, so this is just one of them using the record slideshow. So it starts. Normally you could say whatever you want to say at this point when the screen is empty. You can say all sort of things. You can do a brief introduction here, but it mustn't be too long. Okay, not more than 30 seconds, so that it won't be distracting, because the student will be wondering, why is the screen empty for this long? Like, this is too long for a video. Okay, so immediately you hit one of the keys so that you can start doing the recording. Then we introduce the topic. Today we'll be talking about types of chemical reactions, blah blah blah. And one of the types of chemical reaction is combination. Second, we'll be talking about single displacement. Third, we'll be talking about combustion. Fourth, we'll be talking about decomposition. Then we'll be talking about double displacement, and finally we'll be talking about redox chemical reactions. All of these are chemical reactions that we are going to look at in this video. You've not written anything while you're doing the explanation. Okay, so we'll go to the second slide. Now first let's talk about combination. Then you start bringing in the media for your illustrations, and you keep talking about it. The second, the composition, start bringing out the media and keep talking about it, so you can create video without writing anything on the slideshow. Okay, so when you're done, you exit or you end the show as usual. All right, good. So that is how to go about your first recording without writing anything on the screen. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.